let's make the world a better place. Nandito po tayo sa Gulod Itaas Child Development Center dito po sa Batangas City. Magandang hapon!
Hello! Ito ang ganda naman! You guys are all beautiful and handsome!
God bless you all. God bless you all. Hi. Hello. Teacher, si Lia po ay aking sister-in-law.
Teacher Norie.
Pamangkin na Auntie Helen ko, teacher yun Auntie Helen natin.
So, ito yung mga dalian lamang. Ako po ay bumisita galing Amerika. Ang mga anak ay naandoon. I do this thing once in a while just to share blessings from, you know, the past and the present and the future. I hope you don't mind. Medyo we have a little something here. Food, Goldilocks for the kids, snacks, at saka yung mga i-distribute natin na bags. Lagayan ng baon at saka ng mga pencils. Kamusta? Kamusta daw?
Nablet.
Alright. How many are you guys? Hello. Okay. Are you guys all good boys and good girls? Yes. Tell me your name first. So, meron kami mga ano dito. May mga gamit na pamimigay natin. Okay? So, pwedeng gamitin agad, pwedeng itabi.
Upo muna.
Kung meron kayong mga gamit na ginagamit, ayan. So, we will distribute all the goodies. Okay? Bags, at saka pencil case, at saka crayons. Yeah.
With
So,
Goldilocks.
18 of them, 8 girls and
9 boys.
9 boys, yes. And they all live here. Mga kaibigan ko na nasa Amerika, I am here with my family, with my sister, my sister-in-law, my aunt, Auntie Paz, and teacher. We do this thing to share our blessings. You know, kindness is free. You know what kindness means?
Tagalogin mo.
Okay, kindness, kabaitan. Yes? Share blessings. Magbabait, right? Magbabait. Right?
Mababait kayo.
Mababait? Yes. Okay. So, meron kaming mga ibibigay and then you stay seated. Okay, nagbabait.
Sit down muna.
Yeah, okay. So,
Sit down.
ibibigay. Kakain ka.
Sit down.
Mabait. Mabait siya. Good girls. Ito ang they are all girls. Yeah. Yes, girl. There you go. Girl. How many are the girls?
Girl. Ayun pa.
Yes. Hello. This is yours. Papo. Ito po. Wow. Okay. And then we'll do the boys. The pamboy. Pamboy. They have different designs. Boys. Ang boys, yes. Yeah. Walang inggitan. Pare-pareho ng itsura.
Upo muna at meron pa.
Pero ano, magaganda, di ba? Oh. So we do the
Pencil case.
pencil case. You got pencil case there. Pencil case. Pencil case. Pencil case. Gusto ko? Yeah, alright. Ano pa? May crayon pa. May crayon pa kami.
Ayan.
Oh, Crayola. Crayola. Yes. Color. Do you still have your Crayola? Itatabi natin yan para sa susunod na paggamit. Pag naubos na yung ano, yung mga ginagamit nyo. What else?
Alright, kakain naman tayo.
Hindi na nakabili ng pantulak.
Ayan.
Magpipicture mamaya.
Mabibigyan tayo lahat. Ito bunso.
Lagay dyan sa
Merienda bukas, baon.
Lagay sa lunch box. Lagay na dyan. Lagay. Kayo naman ay kumain na.
Tomorrow na lang. Oh, who else siya? Sa kanya. Ito bunso. There you go. Okay. Dalawa. Yes. Who else? Ito baby. Meron ka na baby? You have na? Meron na siya? Who else? Who else?
Yung dalawang dito.
Here?
Meron na sila.
Meron na siya?
Meron na sila.
Meron akong request. Pwede ba tayong kumanta ng sabay-sabay?
Kakanta.
Ano kakantahin natin? Ano kakantahin natin? Let's sing a song. Yung alam, one lang. Show them that you guys know how to sing. Ano kanta?
Oh, with action. Okay.
Very good. Kung
Siya.
ano daw, ano yung last sentence? Kung pagkain sana, nabusog pa ako. Very good. Yummy, yummy. Your name is Yummy, Yummy. Beautiful. Oh, wow. I didn't understand what you say, baby. Okay. So, let's have a photo together. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. This is your flying altar, Leah. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Pilipinas, sa Batangas City, sa Gulod, where my family is. My aunt, my sister-in-law, my sister, my brother, and si teacher po nandito with 18 students here. We just want to tell you guys that we have kids in the Philippines who may need help, who may need your donation or something, an extra coming from the U.S. So this is what we do. We travel and inspire and make a difference. Kahit maliit lang na bagay, bag or something na magagamit nila sa school would be appreciated. So I encourage you guys, my followers and my fans and my viewers to visit the Philippines. When you travel the world, travel in other countries, in any parts of the world, travel and inspire, share your blessings, and let's make a world a better place. Alright? Thank you. Mabuhay!